In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide chats in Microsoft Teams. If your Teams chat list is starting to feel crowded, hiding old or less important conversations is a simple way to keep things organized without deleting anything. This is especially useful when you want a cleaner workspace and only want to be the chats you actively use. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where all of your direct messages and group conversations are listed. Once you're there, take a moment to look through your chat list and find the conversation you want to remove from view. Remember, hiding a chat does not erase the messages. It simply removes that conversation from your main chat list, so your sidebars feels less cluttered. Next, move your mouse over the conversation you want to hide. When you hover over it, Teams will reveal additional options for that specific chat. This hover action is important because some controls stay hidden until you place your cursor over the conversation. After that, click the three dots next to the chat. These three dots open a small menu of actions you can take for that conversation. In Microsoft Teams, this menu is often called the More Options menu, and it's where you'll usually find tools for managing chats, notifications, and other settings. From that menu, click Hide. As soon as you do that, the chat will disappear from your main chat list. That's all it takes. One helpful thing to know is that hidden chats are not gone forever. If someone sends a new message in that conversation, it can reappear in your chat list automatically. So hiding is best for reducing visual clutter, not for permanently removing a conversation. It's a quick organization tool rather than a delete function. If you're cleaning up your Teams workspace, you can repeat the same process for any other chats you no longer need to see every day. Just go to chat, hover over the conversation, click the three dots, and select Hide. And that's how to hide chats in Microsoft Teams. It's a fast and practical way to keep your chat area tidy and easier to navigate, especially if you work with lots of ongoing conversations.